Alright, this information is for educational purposes only. In this video, we will discuss a study on a natural herb, Red Kwao Krua, can have a therapeutic effect on erectile dysfunction. Red Kwao Krua is commonly found in Thai deciduous forests. This plant's tubers have been long consumed as a traditional medicine for the promotion of male sexual vigor. Now, I'm going to be going over a few studies that have been done, and we're going to take a look at them, alright? Some received better results than others, but one did spectacular out of all of them. The research shows that Red Kwao Krua has some promising results in the treatment of erectile dysfunction in males naturally. First, we'll take a look at the negatives of Red Kwao Krua, then we will discuss the studies it performed well in and how it showed some amazing results in clinical trial in human males. So the first study was a dose-dependent decrease of only blood testosterone, which was significantly different from the control in the rats treated with high doses of the plant powder. This present study suggests that testosterone disruption is significant when taking Red Kwao Krua at least 90 days after the consumption of high doses of that powder. Now, according to this study and looking at it a little bit further, it provided the body with a lot of toxicity, and it was ineffective. Now, this had to do with the way that the Red Kwao Krua was prepared, so the preparation methods were changed and other studies were taken into account. Now, in the next study, participants took Red Kwao Krua in an alcoholic extract for 6 months, and the treatment significantly increased the sperm concentration and delayed the decreased motility with time of sperm. There were no signs of sperm anomalies, and testicular damages were not observed. And a similar study saw similar results. They used powder crude drug of Kwao Krua at the doses of 225, 250, and 1,250 milligrams per kilogram of body weight, which was administered for 8 weeks. There was also an increased testy weight and sperm count in the rats that were tested. Hematology levels, like the liver and kidney function of all treated groups, showed no difference from the control, which was great for the study because, like the alcoholic extract of Red Kwao Krua, it showed that Red Kwao Krua increased sperm count and fluid volume without providing the body with toxicity like the first study we talked about. Now, the next study is they prepared it a different way with an ethanol extract of Red Kwao Krua, and they found that it to be effective in enhancing penile erections. The ethanol extract increased intercavernous pressure of the penis. It also significantly enhanced the effects of cGMP, and this suggests that Red Kwao Krua may act through the CAMP and cGMP pathways, which is important for getting and maintaining a firm erection. And then they did a result in human studies, which is where the most interesting result came from. So what they did was they did a 3-month randomized double-blind clinical trial that was carried out in volunteers with erectile dysfunction that were male, of course. They were aged 30 years to about 70 years old. And they did this to evaluate the therapeutic effect of crude preparation of Red Kwao Krua tubers on erectile dysfunction. Now, the result they came up with was, as an estimation of the sexual records indicated that 82.4% of the patients exhibited noticeable improvement, and hematology and blood chemistry analysis revealed no apparent change. So what they concluded was that the plant preparation appears to improve erectile function in ED patients or erectile dysfunction patients without apparent toxicity. So this showed in clinical studies with human beings that plant powder showed the potential activity in human clinical trials for the treatment of erectile dysfunction in males. What that means is Red Kwao Krua can have a therapeutic effect on erectile dysfunction. Now, if you're serious about fixing your erectile dysfunction, check out the link in the description. I know what it's like to suffer from ED, but then I started using this awesome supplement, which worked really well for me and greatly improved my performance in the bedroom and has worked for others as well. I recommend that you try it out for yourself and see how it can help you with your performance in the bedroom. Just check out the link in the description. If you like the video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.